Hello friends, I hope you are feeling completely well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Arash and I'm here to teach you French language in English. In this video guys, we are gonna speak about les articles indéfinis. As you already know, the ones who watched the previous video know that how we can use the articles in French language and what are the articles and what kind of sex the names in French language, les masculins, les féminins, they know them. If you didn't see the previous video, please go and watch it. Now this video is the continuation of the previous one, and in this video I'm gonna speak about les articles indéfinis. You know what are the articles, you know what are what kind of categories are divided into. So les articles définis, I told about them in the previous video, and now about les articles indéfinis. Guys, as you already know, we have masculin and féminin for the nouns. We have les noms masculins et les noms féminins. I will write some masculin noms, les noms masculins. For example, stylo, for example, stylo that I wrote for you in the previous video. Stylo, lit, ordinateur, and for example, tapis. Tapis means carpet. Stylo, lit, ordinateur, tapis. They are all masculine. They are all masculine. So when you want to use an article indéfini for them, you must use un. So un pour masculin. 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 Un pour masculin. So you must say un stylo, a pen, un lit, a bed, un ordinateur, a computer, and tapis, a carpet. So whenever you have a masculine name and you want to use an article indéfini for them, you must use un stylo, un lit, un ordinateur, un tapis. But if your noun is féminin, like for example voiture, maison, chaise means chair, or for example voiture, maison, chaise, porte. Porte means the door. So they are all feminine, and you want to use an article défini for them. So you must use une pour féminin. Un pour féminin. So un pour masculin, un pour féminin. So you must say une voiture, a car, une maison, a house, une chaise, a chair, and une porte, a door. But when you have a plural form of the noun, what can we do? For example, voiture, maison, stylo, or porte, or for example ordinateur. If you see, they have all an S at the end, so they are plural, but it's kind of plural forms. I told you that I would make some videos separated, and I will explain how we can make the nouns plural in French language. But this is the common way, putting an S at the end, and after that the noun is plural. And that S, as I told you before in the previous video, is not pronounced. Voiture, maison, stylo, porte, ordinateur. Now you want to put an article indéfini for them, so you must put des pour pluriel, des pour pluriel. So you must say des voitures, des maisons, des stylos, des ordinateurs. Yes, des ordinateurs. There's a liaison here. You can do liaison, des ordinateurs. Okay guys, so for les articles indéfinis, un pour masculin, une pour féminin, and des pour pluriel. And I wrote all the examples for you. In the next video, I will tell you about a review for les articles définis and indéfinis, and how we use them and what is the difference between them. If you enjoy my video, please like, share and comment below it. Have a good time.